bored, sleepy.
I'm not gonna make it.
Delayed kami guys for more than 2 hours already. So, ayan, bored na siya, oh. Oh.
And ladies and gentlemen from the flight deck, we're gonna have a jet bridge or gate agent driver here in just a minute.
What?
And right behind him we'll have maintenance
See?
come in underneath the aircraft and
People are
reset
there.
some
See?
switches so we can get on our way here. They told us it's about 20 minutes worth of work, so hopefully that's the case.
Ayan.
Like I said, I do apologize.
Tumayo
about
na sila
everything
guys
that's going
kasi
on right
na-board na yan. Kasi 2
I'll keep you
hours
guys
na kaming na
informed
ano
of
eh.
what's,
2
going on.
hours na kaming na delayed.
If there's any delays or
Nakaupo dito sa airplane. Ayun yung iba natulog noon. Kami kain-kain lang. Nagbaon kami popcorn. Naubos na. Hindi pa nakalipad. Sleepy na siya. Oh, ayan, bored na yan. Yung isa doon natulog. Yeah.
We're gonna end up changing the plane once.
Huh?
We're gonna end up changing the plane.
Well, better.
They're not gonna fix it.
Yeah, it's
It's
dangerous.
not safe.
Yeah. Yan.
We're gonna be on the news.
Ha?
We're gonna be on the news. Plane going through.
Yung isa ko, kain ng kain. Ayan. Kain ng kain yan. Sa tabi ko, kain ng kain. Yung iba doon na yun, natulog eh.
We're doing.
To go out? No? What are they doing? They're stretching?
Stretching.
Yeah. Do it. I will just stand up here. Yan, yung iba. Oh, bored, bored, bored. Nako, anong gagawin? Viva Las Vegas. Yeah. Yung iba, ilang beses lang umihi yung iba guys. Yan, tumayo na naman yung isa. Oh. Yan, mga board na yan. Umalakpak na kasi kami kanina kasi okay na, aalis. Yung pala hindi, umikot lang pala. Umikot lang. Umikot, ikot. Umikot, ikot. Yan, yung iba. Oh, others are going out now. What they do? No. What about the lady who has health issue? It's hard for her. Kasama kasi kaming may sakit guys. Matanda na. Ayan. Wow. Kaya ayan. Pabutin ko lang ito ng ano. Walang laman pero ayan. Siya lang oh. Ayan.
What a vacation.
What a vacation. Not a good start.
Vegas don't like us. You gotta take our money. $180,000.
Maybe I will win $13,000.
140.
Ayan. Pag may time. Super delayed. Super delayed. I took out the thing. Yan. Yan na lang i-focus ko guys, ha? Eh, mag-live, silent live pala ako. Yan ang i-focus ko, oh. Eh, kaso hindi ko dinadala yan sa trabaho, eh. Maybe Virgie will get there first.
They changed the plan.
How many hours Texas to Vegas? Huh?
Same thing.
Same thing? Maybe 3 hours?
We're gonna change plane. No, we need a signature.
No, they need to give us something.
T-shirt. I'll take a T-shirt.
No, I want food.
I only want TV.
Good food.
Steak. White Castle, everybody. White Castle.
Cheap. I want Portello.
Come on, mama.
Yeah, call her now. Oh, she would say, oh my God.
You're on that plane.
Oh, you better come back. Go. You better go home.
The boss or something. Take the train.
Umikot lang pala kami guys. After 2 hours, umikot lang. Tapos, meron na namang ano. But for me, it's okay.
Chris Miller's car.
Kasi that's for safety, huh?
She went to Midway.
Maybe, yeah.
Southwest.
For safety yan, guys. I don't wanna push it, you know, just to fly. No, it's not good. At least I'm glad because they're so the aircraft or the crew are doing really their job. You know, should be like that. They're avoiding some accident, whatever, emergency. So that's good. It's okay. But
Mechanical problem.
yeah, but I'm just I feel sorry for those who have something like, you know, on business. They need to catch the time. They need to attend a meeting. So,
Buy lunch. It gets a lot bigger.
huh?
You should buy lunch.
Who is?
They should.
Yeah, they should give us free food, good food.
Follow me.
No, over here while flying. You have food? Okay, ganyan lang guys. I-try kong mag-live. Tingnan ko. Bye.